Today I'm going to be organizing the kids' back to school clothes in a way that it's easy for them to access and that they'll know what day goes with what clothes go with what day of the week. Stay tuned.
See through Smith. Yeah, it's all love. We them see-through Smiths, tryna run them views up, and we thankful for every click. We gon' keep the family close, and you gon' help us get rich. If you see us out in public, take a flick. What's that? Like the way you help me spread this love on a day-to-day. We the see-through Smiths. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section, preferably saying how much you love us.
We're gonna do blue for Riley. I'm gonna roll this rug out to get them in the spirit.
Mommy.
Go back down.
Mommy.
Go back down.
What are y'all doing?
Go back down.
Oh no. Oh, that's for reading time?
Just go back down.
I don't know what that's for. Sit down. That's for Mommy.
What is it? I got these hooks from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna hang the backpacks on there.
Mama. Camera. Go. Hey, camera. I'm Mary Poppins. Comment down below if you saw Mary Poppins. Look, Papa. Perfect. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. My rat's out.
You watch out.
Mommy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 13, 16, 17.
Oh, you can't come in here.
No, Daddy. It's Daddy, your cat is here. Daddy. Daddy, your cat is here. Daddy, look.
I'm gonna hang their backpacks.
Daddy, it's out. Whoa. One. For me. I want 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now I'm gonna put their clothes and shoes in there. Stay tuned.
Hello. Hello,
I'm gonna label their crates by the days of the week. Okay, now I'm gonna put their clothes in. I have their pants and their shirts stacked together, and I'm gonna put their underwear and their socks and shoes, everything all in one crate. This is the finished product. Now I'm just gonna add their names. Something cute and festive on top. Thanks for watching.
Whoa. Hey.
Blues for Riley, purples for Reese.